Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Chase credit cards, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I've been getting a lot recently on my other video, and that is, how do you order a new Chase credit card in the mobile app? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to order a new Chase credit card in the mobile app? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you've lost your Chase credit card, so you want to order a new one, or maybe the current one just works sometimes and sometimes it doesn't because it's kind of worn out, or the chip maybe doesn't work properly. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Chase app. It's this blue and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Chase app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Chase app. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to replace your Chase credit card, first you're going to have to scroll down to the credit card section. You can see right here. And if you happen to have multiple credit cards with Chase like I do, you're going to have to choose the account that you want to order a new replacement card for. So for example, I'll go ahead and choose this one right here. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see your most recent transactions for your Chase credit card. However, in order to order a new replacement Chase credit card, you want to click on this button here. It's towards the center. It's called Manage Account. It has a little arrow next to it. All right, once you click there, you're going to see a long drop-down menu, but in order to request a new Chase credit card, you need to click on this button here at the top right called Replace a Lost or Damaged Card. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all the cards that you have associated with your Chase account. And in order to set up a replacement Chase credit card, you need to choose which card. So we'll go ahead and choose this one right here. Once you've chosen the card that you'd like to order, go ahead and click on this blue Next button here at the bottom. Okay, so this is kind of important. So depending on your answer to this question, what the situation is, will determine if your credit card number is going to change or not. So for example, if you choose this one right here, that your card was lost, they do let you know that your current card is going to be canceled immediately, so you can no longer use it. And you're going to receive a new credit card in the mail in about 5 to 7 business days. And in the meantime, you cannot use your old card. Now, if your card is simply damaged, so sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, you can go ahead and choose this one. Now, this one will keep your credit card number the same. However, the expiration date and 3-digit security code are going to change. But in the meantime, you can still use your old card. And then this one down here, if you never received your card in the mail, Chase is going to immediately cancel the lost card since it's considered lost since you never received it. So you're not going to be able to use a card until you get the new one in the mail. For the purpose of this video, I'll go ahead and choose this one right here. My card is damaged, and I'll click on Next. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to get this confirmation screen. So the card that you would be ordering a new one or a replacement would be this card right here. The reason the card is damaged, and it also shows the shipping address. So they're letting me know it could take 5 to 7 business days before I get my card in the mail. However, if your address right here is not correct, you do need to call in through customer service and have them change in that address in order to send out your credit card to a different address. Also, if you are going to order a replacement Chase credit card internationally, they do let you know that it could take longer than 5 to 7 business days, and that really depends on the shipping service that handles the deliveries in that country. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to order a replacement Chase credit card in the mobile app, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.